As a kid, I'd always sort of played around with tractors and ride-on mowers and things like that and thought that that was really fun. And then I got on a little mini bike for the first time. At this point, I would say I'm pretty much involved with my dream job. I really knew that if I came here, I'd be able to get excited all the way through the process of the creation of a whole vehicle. Locomotors is a technology company that designs, builds, and sells vehicles using co-creation and micro-manufacturing. One of the major projects that we have going on right now is the 3D printed highway-ready DDM car. As we're developing those concept sketches, it's a community initiative where we're bringing community designers in and they are getting involved collaboratively. And at the end, their wish is that we are going to actually put it into production. With solid edge and synchronous technology, it really allows us the flexibility to deal with the community contributions that come in non-native file formats, and coupling that with the mobility of the surface so that we can actually communicate those files and that data around our facility fluidly. Those elements come together to really create an excellent product. Micro-manufacturing emphasizes having lightweight facilities and flexibility within those facilities so that you can pivot very easily and not have it add up to huge reconfiguration costs. I'm not just engineering off in a corporate building in the middle of a park, and my manufacturing facility and sampling facility is somewhere in the next state over or something. It's literally in the next room over. And so there's a lot of interdepartmental interaction. You can step right out the door of this office and go over to the fabricators that are going to be doing the sample making for you. There really just isn't a substitute for being able to spin the object around so that they can visualize it in 3 dimensions just as much as we can. Having the ability to work with the pen as opposed to just working with, your fingers or something like that is key to the interaction with the Surface Pro. Solid edge plays a significant role, and it's going to play an ever-growing role as a tool for us in our development projects because of this emphasis on the digital. That's what really allows us to pursue our character here at Locomotors, which is that type of speed, that type of design flexibility, and our technology pursuit. Technologies like Solid Edge and the Surface Pro 3 help Locomotors to drive forward with digital manufacturing.